Yo, Tudo Dre checking back in. Back out here at the car graveyard. Oh, that's what I need right there. Right down the front. Yeah, they done snatched it. Seen this is 86 out here. I wanted to see how the what's name was ran, how the wires ran. That's why I got to see a little different stuff. That piece broke off already. Had some nice seats in here. They done screwed this bit already. Oof. Done went through them. Trying to see how these trunk wires go. So I see they been going up through that down there. What I'm trying to see is I need to take these seat belts. I ain't got none in my car. And I could get that third window. But nah, I ain't got no space up there in the back of mine, so it ain't gonna work. So yeah, the head bolt was screwed. I just finished, I had my friend, he just finished doing the helicoil and stuff for me. Got new bolts back in. It was this one right here that was messed up. Y'all can see it. Bring it in close. That one was messed up, so I just did it. I'm putting the head and stuff back on. Just put the head back on. I got to set these rocket arms down, and I got to torque this down. I got the torque wrench right down for to go ahead and torque that bit down real quick. We're gonna go from there. So yeah, I just gotta clean that up real quick. The intake, manifolds, all that stuff up real quick. Then I'm gonna go from there. So yeah, I done put it back together. Done fixed the little stud over there. Well, I fixed the thread on that side over there. Got it fixed or whatever we did. That got it done. So yeah, this back together. I can go ahead and crank them up when I'm ready. But I'm finna go grab me another gasket for my carburetor because it looked like it unripped. So I'm finna go grab another one of those and I'll be good. I'm over here trying to wire up this digital dash of mine because you know I got all the wires still sitting everywhere, all over the floor and stuff like that. I'm trying to get everything together, trying to get it together so I can run it, have them running and ready to go. I'm trying to finish by Easter. I done figured out what color I'm going on the insides now. I'm not doing my blue anymore, so it's not gonna be this blue anymore because as you know I changed the whole color of the car. So now I got another color I'm going. I ain't gonna let the secret out the bag yet, but just know I got a color. I got a color. Quick color. But yeah, just trying to get this wired up so I can do something to see if it's gonna work. I wired up most of them already. I'm just this right here, I'm not leaving it taped up or anything like that. I'm just putting it on there so I can get at least the wires for this out the way so I can go ahead and focus on my other wires to figure everything else I need to wire up. So yeah, I'm back. So I done figured the wiring out. I also found a wire from a fan, so now I ain't got to rate my fan no more. I done figure out which wire actually go for it. And boom, here y'all go. Got everything working on it now. Fan working, y'all can hear it out there. So yeah, I done figured that out. So those couple less wires I have to figure out, and I'm good now. So hey, so just give me a second. I'll be back. The car be completely done in a minute. Like I say, figured out my color I'm going, figuring out these wires, trying to get them together, and shoot, I'm trying to be ready for Easter if we ain't quarantined by the end, because the way this coronavirus going, boy, they trying to kick everybody out.